Hi, I am Ana Sofia Blanco, a young woman from Bogota, Colombia, interested in creating solutions for a more environmentally sustainable textile and fashion industry. The fashion industry is responsible for 10% of global carbon emissions, according to United Nations Environment Program. How we can change this? Through the responsible consumption of resources and a textile industry aligned with circular economy models in line with Sustainable Development Goal 12, responsible production and consumption. With this in mind, I have designed a collection that uses natural dyes to protect water resources and is inspired by the beautiful of the sea corals. Return to nature, sustainable fashion that care of the planet.